Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be show you guys how to see the recent subscribers on my YouTube channel. So this is the guide. This guide will teach you how to see the subscriber which they subscribe recently on your channel. So open your YouTube channel in your mobile phone. Make sure this guide is run both PC or mobile, and after that you can go to your channel and very bottom right corner and tap on the view channel, and this is the profile or the main interface of your channel. So here you can tap on the manage videos, and you can post all videos through this. Tap on it, and here you can see there's one subscriber, and this is the subscriber. You can go the YouTube studio and where you can find the all recent subscriber of your channel. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content and update like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.